Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making pasta with cherry tomato and feta cheese, goat cheese actually. And this is what I'm going to be needing. And this is for the pasta, and this is the pan I'm going to be using. Stay tuned. Olive oil. Cherry tomatoes. I have to make a little bit of room. Oops. For the feta cheese. Garlic. We happen to love garlic. Parsley. Oregano. Pepper. Fresh onions. And this is going to go into the oven. And we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. So halfway into actually I turned off the heat. I'm just going to put the parsley. And mix it together with the and leave it in the oven for 5 minutes. Gonna add some spaghetti pasta in there. This looks delicious. I hope you guys try this. It's super easy and delicious. And the fusilli pasta, it's done. It's super easy to make, as you saw, if you saw the video. It takes 20 minutes tops to make, including boiling the pasta. And I added a little bit more, like I added the fresh onions. But that's all I added from the usual one. Hope you try.